want to get the value for tan 90 degree, do you know that tan 90 degree will always give us math error from the calculator? Try it from your calculator. The tan of 90 degree is always mathematical error. Just try it before we start. I give you 1 minute to do that. Get your calculator and press tan 90 degree. What do you have? Math error. Okay, I want to prove to you now why we have such error. I want to look at it now. And I want to look for two angles to add up to give me 90. And the angles are simply 60 degree plus 30 degree. I can also have 45 plus 45. I will also have 90 degree. Please don't forget that. You can use any of these one. Either use this 45 plus 45 or use this. We definitely have the same result. Okay? But let me use 60 plus 30. Let me see what I can have at the end. I want to see why we already have a math error on the calculator. Whenever we press the one of tan 90 degree for the calculator, it only shows error. I want to see now. Now from here, I can use an identity. For this very one, I can use an identity. It means that for this one, it simply means sine, because we need to get the identity for tan. The identity for tan is sine over cosine. Therefore, for this one, we'll have sine. Okay, remember I still have my two angles, 60 degree plus 30 degree over cos. And sine over cos give us tan. Like the identity become like one identity for tan is sine over cosine. Take note of that. Sine over cosine. This one is the identity for tan. Okay, for this one I will have cos 60 degree plus 30 degree. This is what I will have. Okay, we can still proceed. Okay, for this very part now, for this very one, it means that I can use an identity for this very one. For the one of the one I have at the numerator, I can get the identity. I'm going to have sine 60 degree cos 30 degree, 30 degree. Okay? The next thing there, we still have plus. Remember, for sine, the plus remains the same. I will have cos 60 degree, sine 30 degree. Over the one I have under, I have cos there, become cos 60 degree, cos 30 degree. Since we are not dealing with cos, we are dealing with cos here, this sign will change. This sign will always change, this addition will always change for cos. Is that clear? Okay, now we have, yes, we have plus here, we have here as minus, but for sine it remains the same. Okay, become minus sine 60 degree, sine 30 degree. This is what I have. Okay, we can still continue. For this very one, I can still see. Okay, we can use the ratio. For this one, I can use ratio. It simply means sine 60 degree is √3 over 2. While for this one, it's still √3 over 2 cos 30 degree. Plus, we can also get the cos of 60, we have 1 over 2. Okay, sine 30, we still have 1 over 2. Okay, we want to still continue. For this one, we have the one of cos 60 degree, we have 1 over 2. Cos 30 degree is √3 over 2. Okay, while for this one, we have sine 60 degree, is simply means √3 over 2. While sine 30 degree is 1 over 2. Okay, we can still proceed. For this one, we have √9. √3 times √3 is √9. Become √9 is 3. That because 9 is a perfect square. Therefore, with 93, I will now have 3 over 4 because here 2 times 2 give me 4. Okay, for this very one, I will have 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2, I will have 4. Okay, please don't forget we still have something at the denominator. This one is 1 times root 3, I will have root 3. Root 3. Okay, I have root 3. Over 2 times 2, I have 4. Okay, for this one, I still have root 3. For this one, I have 4. Okay, when you look at the denominator, we have a common terms there. We have a common terms, root 3 over 4 minus root 3 over 4. It means that for this denominator, it will be 0. Here will be 0. While for this one, we also have a common denominators here. For this one, for the one up, we have a common denominator. Therefore, it's going to be 4. We have to take the LCM to be 4. Okay, at the end, I'm going to have 4 over 4. I'm going to have 4 over 4 at the end over 0 because everything here is 0 because we have the same thing here. Okay, 4 divided 4, there is going to give me 1 over 0. Okay, it means that 1, get your calculator now. If you have gotten your calculator, press 1 and press divide and press 0. 1 divide 0. Press 1, press this key, divide and press 0. You have an error, math error, math error. It means that there is no way a number can divide 0. In a real sense, there is no way a number can divide 0. Try it. There is no way a number can divide 0. Therefore, here it will give us math error. This one will be error. It means that for tan 90°, it's going to be error. Use your calculator and do that. Try it with your calculator and you definitely understand what we are talking about. Thank you very much for joining me on this very platform, TB Jumbo Online Mathematics. Don't forget to follow me on that page. Follow me up so that we always get along. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mathematics Science Mega Tutorial. All the best.